وَجَاهِدُوا فِي اللَّهِ حَقَّ جِهَادِهِ هُوَ اجْتَبَاكُمْ لِيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْكُمْ وَتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ. For the purpose of. You have been selected. I'll discuss the subordinate clause later. First of all, the principal clause, take it as one sentence. وَجَاهِدُوا فِي اللَّهِ حَقَّ جِهَادِهِ هُوَ اجْتَبَاكُمْ لِيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْكُمْ وَتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ. So that our messenger, Muhammad, becomes witness unto you or witness against you. I will discuss it later on. And you become witnesses unto the humanity at large or witnesses against them, against the humanity at large. This is the purpose of selection, of your selection. This is why you have been selected. You have been attached as a link to the prophethood or the messengerhood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. لِيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْكُمْ وَتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ.